This is the dust-free Snap Fit installation guide for ScreenArmor's ProGuard Clear, designed to protect tablet screens up to 13 inches. We recommend having the following tools ready: microfiber cloth, cleaning spray, ScreenArmor install tabs, ScreenArmor long squeegee, ScreenArmor standard squeegee, and our non-slip ScreenArmor mat supplied as standard with all our machines. First, take your tablet and place it securely on the non-slip mat. Use the ScreenArmor squeegee to peel off any previous screen protectors and discard. Give the screen a quick clean, making sure to remove any dust and any residual cleaning spray. Note that the cutout for cameras and speakers is often at the bottom of the blank. Be sure to weed out any excess material and camera holes to prevent them getting in the way of the install later. Peel off the outside frame of both the purple protective layer and excess screen protector. You should be left with just the white base layer around the outside. Next, place install tabs on diagonally opposite corners. I prefer this way as it allows us to hold the screen protector taut across the tablet screen, and try to stick the install tabs onto the purple protective layer, not the white backing. Once that's completed, peel off the white backing layer and you should have 3 layers remaining: dust sticker snap fit install layer, screen protector, top purple protective layer. Keep the blank flat and taut by pulling the install tabs in opposite directions whilst carefully aligning the blank with the tablet screen. Make sure the camera hole is aligned and all edges are parallel. With the snap fit dust layer, it is easy to apply and reapply until it is perfectly aligned. Once you're happy with the alignment, be careful to not rub the squeegee over the central snap line at this stage, as it can cause bubbles. Instead, gently squeegee each side to pick up any residual dust whilst avoiding the vertical middle snap line. I prefer the short squeegee because I can apply more force and have more consistent control, especially on flexible screens. The long squeegee is just as good, and it is purely down to user preference. Carefully peel up one side of the blank and snap it back across the screen more than 90 degrees. For this stage, using the squeegee, try to miss the middle line by a few millimeters and push the screen protector onto the screen while simultaneously pushing out the dust sticker in one smooth movement. Ensure the sides and corners have stuck firm, squeegeeing from the middle to the outside while still avoiding the middle line. Now lift the other side, snap it back and begin pushing out the dust sticker. This time squeegee hard right across the snap line and all along towards the side. Push out any air bubbles as before, always working from the center to the corners and edges. Now pay special attention to the middle snap line. Using the corner of the squeegee, massage out any bubbles or marks slowly and firmly until they are gone. Getting as many bubbles out at this stage will prevent screen protector's oleophobic coating from being tarnished. Finally, use one of the tabs to peel off the top protective layer. Double check alignment and gently massage out any bubbles. For any small difficult blemishes, just explain to the customer that these generally disappear in the next couple of hours, as it is just the glue drying and the film flexing.
Recruits, that concludes your training. You can now install SnapFit ProGuard for tablets.